Good evening, Ramchand. Today we are having a foreign guest lecture on recent trends in artificial intelligence and machine learning for real-time applications at Velur Institute of Technology. 4 o'clock it is there. Now time is 3:30. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
after that you can join in this session. We will get so much knowledge related to machine learning and artificial intelligence. You will be very strong by that time. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
yeah, recent trends in artificial intelligence and machine learning for real time applications. Let me justify my title. What are the recent trends in artificial intelligence? We have transfer learning, we have explainable AI, we have generative AI, we have federated learning, and these are recent trends in artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Intelligent behavior in a machine. Science and engineering to develop intelligent kind of based applications by using statistical techniques, artificial intelligence techniques, machine and deep learning techniques. Then what about machine learning? Learning from the observational data by using supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, we are solving real time applications. Are you understanding my lecture, my sentence, Ramchan?
Yes, sir.
So now are you able to can you define artificial intelligence? What I have explained?
Um, Maybe in my own words, if
Yeah,
you don't
yeah,
mind.
yeah.
So, artificial intelligence, where a machine is trained with
Correct,
uh, added inputs according to the requirement of day-to-day usage.
correct,
Science and engineering together,
correct,
it gives insight, in-depth definitions to artificial intelligence.
correct,
Not only that, deep learning, machine learning, neural networks, mathematical concepts like statistics and probabilities. So
correct,
everything put together will give add-on insights into the term artificial intelligence.
correct. Artificial intelligence, simply you can define intelligent behavior in a machine, just like a humanoid robots, like Asimo, Sophia. Recently, Sophia took the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. So, science and engineering to develop intelligent kind of applications. Okay, so we are moving to our topic today. These are my background of uh, my qualification, my background and syllabus of generative AI, data science, and cyber security applications. Okay, so we are moving towards artificial intelligence today. We have a 53 concepts you need to learn, like introduction to AI definition and types. We have narrow AI, and we have different types of AIs. Study artificial intelligence history and evolution. Learn key AI concepts and terms. Basics of computer science and programming. Learn Python programming for artificial intelligence. Understand basic statistics and probability. Learn linear algebra and calculus. Overview of machine learning and fundamentals. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Common machine learning algorithms and overview. Hands on simple machine learning projects. Neural networks and deep learning basics. Neural networks architecture and fundamentals. Popular deep learning frameworks such as Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Theano, etc. Build and train neural network. Overfitting and underfitting concepts. Data pre-processing and feature engineering. Evaluate machine learning models and effectively. Complex neural network architecture like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, hands-on computer vision project OpenCV, natural language processing, that is called NLP basics, build an NLP models like natural language toolkit, spacey, reinforcement learning and algorithm overview, implement basic reinforcement learning projects like GYM, generative models concepts like generative adversarial networks, variational autoencoders, build a generative model projects like Keras, study AI ethical considerations, AI deployment in real world applications, then cloud based AI. We have various algorithms, deploy artificial intelligence model on cloud, AI importance in different industries, study artificial intelligence algorithms for tasks, artificial intelligence and big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark, time series analysis with AI like ARIMA, LSTM, etc. AI model optimization techniques, transfer learning and pre-trained models like BET, real-time read artificial intelligence research papers from ArcIV, contribute to open source AI projects from GitHub, Keras, GitHub, Kaggle and UCI repositories, build artificial intelligence project portfolio, explore advanced AI topics meta learning, latest AI trends and advancements, attend AI conferences and webinars, network and join various kinds of accommodation like Reddit, Stack Overflow, take advanced AI certifications, Coursera, edX, read AI expert books and articles, stay updated with AI news with the help of AI blogs, specialize in an AI subfield robotics. Intelligent behavior in a machine is called robotics. Examples like Asimo, humanoid robots like Asimo and Sophia, etc. And work on interdisciplinary AI projects. You are ready to tech and train, share AI knowledge. That is about artificial intelligence syllabus. What is the origin of artificial intelligence? Intelligent behavior in a machine. It started with artificial intelligence finds roots in ancient time like Greek myths, Turing's impact in the year 1950s, Dartmouth conference in the year 1956, early artificial programs 1956 to 57, shift to machine learning we have started in the year 1980s, still we are using. Expert system is nothing but developing if then rules and making a very good database is called expert system in the year 1980s. Artificial intelligence resurgence started with year 21st century. The origin of artificial intelligence can be traced back to the mid 20th century when researchers began exploring the concept of creating machines capable of performing tasks like we are giving instructions to the system learning itself and solving the problems according to human instructions that require human intelligence. Then what is meant by artificial intelligence? It is an evolving technology. Ramchand,
Yes, sir.
what is meant by technology? How you can define technology?
Um, Technology
I-
that satisfies the
Application
advancement
of science.
requirements in a particular field.
Simply you can say application of science is called
Okay.
technology.
Application of science.
Yes. That tries to simulate human intelligence using machines. Artificial intelligence encompasses various subfields like machine learning, statistical methods, and deep learning, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, which allows systems to learn and adapt in a novel, means innovative ways from training data. Okay, what is artificial intelligence and how it works? So depends on the user instructions, it is taking as input and performing according to human instructions. Artificial intelligence definition according to scientific: the science and engineering to make intelligent machines. According to John McCarthy, is a father of artificial intelligence. The ability to learn or understand or to deal with new or trying situations like innovative specifically especially it can solve the ability to reason, the ability to solve novel problems, the ability to act rationally and efficiently, the ability to act like humans. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence process by machines, especially computer systems. There are 50 concepts just now I have explained. Understand AI types and definition, study AI history and evolution, learn key AI concepts and terms, and specialize an AI subfield robotics, work on interdisciplinary AI projects. These are the 50 topics you need to learn. These are the top AI machine learning you need to learn, like artificial intelligence, supervised learning, computer vision, bias in AI, robotics, explainable AI, machine learning, unsupervised learning, chatbot, algorithm, algorithmic fairness, generative adversarial networks, that is to solve face recognition applications, deep learning, reinforcement learning, internet of things, then data mining, transfer learning, edge AI, neural networks, NLP, natural language processing, cloud computing, big data, edge computing. Okay, then we have AI ethics, etc. So this is the AI universe. It starts with artificial intelligence is a big umbrella. In that one, we have n number of techniques like natural language processing, computer vision, expert system, robotics, automated reasoning, fuzzy logic, cognitive computing, artificial intelligence ethics, speech recognition, knowledge representation, planning and scheduling. Under that one, we have a machine learning, learning from the observational data with the help of supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. We have a classification, regression, clustering. We have a feature engineering, ensemble learning, support vector machine, decision trees, dimensionality reduction. Coming to neural networks, learning from the observational data with the neurons like a membrane. We have perceptrons, convolutional neural networks, long short-term memory, generative adversarial networks, dropout, etc. We have multi-layer perceptron, that is called MLP, back propagation, activation functions, recurrent neural networks, self-organizing maps. We have deep learning, like learning from the observational data with deep manner by increasing n number of input and hidden layers with fine tuning parameters like activation functions, like deep neural networks, that is called DNN, convolutional neural networks, that is called CNN, and recurrent neural networks, that is called RNN, and long short-term memory is called LSTM, deep reinforcement learning, cognitive networks, transfer learning, generative adversarial networks, deep belief networks. Then we have a latest subject called generative AI. Generative AI is nothing but creating something new, which is innovative, which is not available in the database. With the help of audio, video, text, graphics, we are creating innovative applications by using statistical AI, machine and deep learning techniques. Is called generative AI. We have very good techniques like generative adversarial networks, variational autoencoders, language modeling like large language modelings like ChatGPT, Gemini, various kinds of AI models, self attention mechanism, text generation, transformer architecture like transfer learning, explainable AI, natural language understanding, summarization, dialogue systems, etc. These are the 20 essential to understand AI. We have generative AI like GAN, VAE, GPT, LSTM, AR. You must know it. What is GAN? GAN is a generative adversarial network. It is a popular and major technique under generative AI. It can solve audio, video, text, graphics kind of applications. Variational autoencoder is going to solve generative applications. Then GPT generative pre-trained transformer, long short-term memory, and augmented, auto-regressive models like machine learning. We have a number of techniques: data science, natural language processing, computer vision. So today's concept is recent trends for artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are the introduction to AI and ML in real-time application, latest trends in AI and ML for real-time processing, real-time AI in use case studies, deep learning from real-time applications, AI ethics and challenges in real-time AI deployment, future outlook in AI innovations, and followed by the conclusion and question and answers. Ramchan, we have
Yeah.
7 minutes only. Now, Velur Institute of Technology people will join nearly 500 students, research
Yes.
scholars, they are PhD students and faculty. You can also join. I am going to stop here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.